Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and I'm back with another commission, this time on an A3 size paper, and this is commission number 12 for Thomas. Thomas and I did some amazing drawings together. For example, these 4 drawings, which represents the transformation into the great ape Ozaru. It is his original character, and today we will draw that Saiyan in a cool full body raging pose. I will try to draw this one real badass. I will give it big lightning, lots of battle damage and a huge aura in the end. I'm drawing this pretty much from the mind. I will just orientate myself on a reference for the pose, that's all. If you are also interested in a custom drawing, check out the commission contact info below, and we will now create this huge drawing, and then I see you at the end with the final result. Let's go. So guys, last touch and then commission number 12 for Thomas is done, and I think this is a really cool drawing. The evolution of this drawing was really badass. We could really see how the muscles and the rage came to life, and I think with the coloring I could point out the power of that Saiyan really good. Also, the big lightning and aura plays a big role in showing the epicness of the drawing. I really like this one, and Thomas is also very happy with his next drawing, and soon we will start drawing number 13. I really have some amazing supporters, so many people are ordering multiple drawings, it's crazy, I really appreciate it. If you are also interested in a custom drawing, message me on Instagram or email, and check out my online shop for original drawings and prints. I will upload the full and real-time drawing videos soon on the second channel, so subscribe over there as well. And that's it for today guys. Thank you all for watching, and I see you on the next